Hi everybody, it's Joey for Joey's World Tour. I'm back! Today I'm at the Habit Burger Grill. I'm doing their new Basil Pesto Chicken Sandwich. That sounds great, muchachos and muchachas. So yeah, the Habit came out with this, and I really like the Habit. They have really great food, and so I'm really excited to try this sandwich for you. That rhymed. I'm a rhymer. I'm Slim Shady. How y'all doing today? Thanks for stopping by. Before we start the review, please share, like, and subscribe. That rhymed. I'm totally rhyming today. And if I'd like to do a personalized video shout out, head on over to cameo.com, and you'll see all the links below. But anyways, yeah. The Habit. It's a hard habit to break if they have great food there. That's why I like the Habit. So let's sneak a peek-a-loo to see what Basil Pesto Chicken Sandwich is all about. Okay, muchachos, I'm at the Habit Burger Grill. That's right, today I'm trying their new Basil Pesto Chicken Sandwich. So it comes with little char-grilled chicken, obviously, shredded parmesan on there, lettuce and tomato, and basil pesto aioli. Basically it's basil pesto mayo, and it's on a parmesan crusted sourdough bread. I got the little drinky poo and a little onion ring poo, and it comes a little rancho dressiones. And so yeah, it's like $17.47, I believe, and this looks really good. I love pesto. I'm a big pesto fan. So this is the Basil Pesto Chicken Sandwich review at the Habit Burger Grill. Ooh. What you think, muchachos and muchachas? Pretty neat stuff. So yeah, we're gonna give this a shot today. So let me get a close up on this. Ready? Are you ready for 3D action? Get your 3D glasses out. Ready to go. So yeah, it looks really good. You can see the basil here, and all the accoutrements that they throw on here, the chicken, and the lechuga, and the tomato, and the aioli sauce for basil pesto. Yeah, so let's try this out. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Because, you know, that's how, anyways. Here we go, muchachos. Yeah, not bad. You can totally taste the pesto, which is really good, and you get this crunchiness from this really good lechuga, and that nice grilled chicken. It's got a really nice flavor to it, and it's not over salty, which is nice. You get that beautiful tomato in here, and this, you know what's really good here? This Parmesan crust, everyone. Woo! Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. So, that's some pretty good deals. And of course, I got some onion rings. I can see you. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Very onion ringy. It's good. So, got me a little root beer here. Mm. I crack myself up sometimes. I thought that was funny. I made myself laugh. Good. So it's like the perfect size for the sandwich too. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. And you get that, that Parmesan, getting back to that Parmesan toast. It's got like a good flavor on it. Like it's been on the grill. I don't know, it's got something, it's really like this thing that swings on here. And you couple that with the Parmesan and the chicken and everything. This is a really good Basil aioli pesto chicken sandwich. Oh. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a solid 8.5. That's right, 8.5. Check out my tweets and my twerks and everything in between. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel, Joey's World Tour. It's going off because of you. And yeah, so see if I can do it without choking. Yes, this is good stuff. So pretty neat stuff here. So get to the habit, and it'll be a hard habit to break when you try their great pesto basil chicken sandwich. It's off the hook. Oh, thank you all for tuning in. You guys are the best. Yeah, I was thinking about doing like a little membership thing on my channel, and you'll get like some content. So I'm still trying to figure it out how that works. So I can think of like if I charge like $100 a month. I'm just kidding. I think like it starts like at $1.99 to $4.99 a month, and then you'll get like extra videos, and you'll be part of the muchacho thing. So it's still in the works. Thinking about it. I don't know if you guys would be interested in becoming like a little member, and you get like extra videos that won't be on. So I guess I gotta figure it out, everyone. I'm tripping right now. Anyways, but it's just a thought. But anyways, you guys are the best. I appreciate y'all by stopping by and checking out my review. I want to thank you all. Take care. Have a great week, and get over to the habit today. And it'll be a hard habit to break once you try their great sandwiches and hamburgers. This is Joey wishing you peace. So good.